Hello, my name is Get Willy and I am from Paris, France. At present, I am working in FFBMD Inc., which is a global educational company of India, and whose head office is in the Banali village. I shall teach you computer science in FFBMD. I have developed a new style of teaching, seeing the learning computer with seeing the natural site. This is the natural site of Bernoulli village. In the in this computer general computer course series, it will be divided into 19 modules, and let's first discuss the syllabus of module. So the courses lectures will start with introduction of computers, its characteristics, evolution of computer generation. Example, first generation from 1942 to 1955, second generation from 1955 to 1964, similarly third generation from 1964 to 1975, fourth generation 1975 to 1989, fifth generation 1989 to present. Next, in the next module, I will discuss about basic computer organizations like input output unit, storage unit, arithmetic logic unit, ALU, control unit, CU, central processing unit, CPU, the system concept. In the third module, I will discuss about number system like non-positional and positional number systems, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, conversion of one number system to another, convert conversion from another base to decimal and from decimal to another base, division remainder techniques, converting from base other than 10 to another base other than 10, shortcut method for binary to octal conversion, shortcut method for octal to binary conversion, shortcut method for binary to hexadecimal conversion, and hexadecimal to binary conversion. And the last one will be fractional numbers in this module. Now in the fourth module, I would discuss about computer codes like BCD code, EBCD, IC, zone and packed decimal numbers, ASCII, ASCII, Unicode, features of Unicode, need for unit code, in Unicode encoding forms, collating sequence, and with this fourth module will be ended. Next, in the fifth module, computer arithmetics will be discussed, like why binary, binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or binary arithmetics. It contains all these things. Why computers use additive method, and fifth module will end with like these topics, and then sixth module will start. In the sixth module, we will discuss about Boolean algebra and logic circuit. Fundamental concept of Boolean algebra, postulates and theory of Boolean algebra, principle of duality, theorems on Boolean algebra, Boolean functions, minimization of Boolean function, complements of a functions, canonical form of Boolean function, conversion between canonical forms. Next, logic gates, and or not, NAND nor gate, and logic circuit related to these gates. Conversion expression to logic circuit, the universal NAND gate. Similarly, universal NOR gate, exclusive OR and equivalency functions, and design of combinational circuit like design of half adder, design of full adder, a parallel binary adder. And with this, module 6 will be end, and we will enter into the 7th module, processor and memory. In this lecture series, we will learn about central processing unit CPU, control unit, instruction set, arithmetic logic unit ALU, processor speed, types of processor, registers, main memory organization, main memory capacity, storage evolution criteria, types of memory chips, cache memory. And with this, 7th module will end, and then we will enter into 8th module. In the 8th module, we will learn about secondary storage device, sequential and direct access device, magnetic tapes, basic principles of operation, types of magnetic tapes, limitation and advantage of magnetic tapes, uses of magnetic tapes. Similarly, we will discuss magnetic disks, basic principle of operation, types of magnetic disks, advantage and limitation of magnetic disks, uses of magnetic disk. Then we go to the optical disk. Types of optical disks, advantage and limitation of optical disks, basic principle of operation, use of optical disks. Memory storage devices, memory card like SD, MMC, flash drive, pen drive, mass storage device, automated tape library, disk array, CD-ROM, jukebox, access time. Then in this lecture, we will discuss about data backup, what is data backup, why backup data, types of backup, backup policy. Next, online, nearline, and offline storage, hierarchical storage system. With this module will end, and we will enter into 9th module. In this module, we have to discuss about input-output devices like input device, keyboard device, point and draw device, digitizer, data scanning device, electronic card reader, speech recognition device, vision input system, output devices, monitors, printers, plotters, screen image projector, voice response system. And then the next module will be computer software. In this module, I will discuss about different types of computer software, definition of software, relation between hardware and software, types of software, system software, application software, logical system architecture, middleware, firmware, acquiring software, buying pre-written software, ordering customized software, developing customized software, downloading public domain software, software development life cycle, SDLC. software engineering, its definition, its work, why it is needed, goal of software engineering, principle of software engineering, case tools. Then next module, that is 11th module, will be about planning the computer program, purpose of program planning, algorithm, sample of algorithm, representation of algorithm, flow chart, use of flow chart, what is flow charts, flow chart symbols, sample flow chart, levels of flow chart, whole flow charting rules, advantage and limitation of flow chart. Then pseudocode. What is pseudocode? Pseudo for basic logic structure. Sample pseudocode, advantage and limitation of pseudocode. With it, this module will end, and we will enter into 12 module computer language. In this module, I will discuss about analog with natural language, machine language, advantage and limitation of machine language, assembly language, assembler, advantage of assembler, assembly language over machine language, limitation of assembly language, typical use of assembly language with macro instructions, high level language, compiler, linkers, interpreters, intermediate language, compiler and interpreter. Some peoples are working in this field here near UC, and they are calling, a boy is calling his mother and mother is calling his boy, and that sound is coming to hear in this lecture. What about I was discuss? I am discussing about the syllabus in the 12 module, that is intermediate linker, interpreter, intermediate language, compiler and interpreter, advantage and limitation of high level language, object oriented language, object oriented programming, OOP, concepts of OOP, key elements of object oriented paradigm. Then we will discuss about some high level language like Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, C and C++. Again, we will talk about some more high level language like Java, C Hash, RPG, Lisp, SNOBOL, Snowball. And now the next topic will be characteristics of a good programming language, selecting a language for coding and application, subprogram, and so on. With this, we will now in the 13th module will be discussion about system implementation and operation. In this, we learn about software testing and debugging. What are testing and debugging? Types of program errors, testing a program, debugging a program for syntax error, debugging a program for logic error, testing of software containing many programs. Difference between testing and debugging. Software documentation. What is documentation? Need for documentation, forms of documentation, documentation standard, software development, deployment, change over operations, change over method, system of evaluation, software maintenance. And the next module will be about operating systems. In this module, we learn about operating systems, main function and work of a operating system, measuring system performance, process management in early system, multi-programming, concept of multitasking, multi-threading, multiprocessing, and time sharing. Memory management, unique programming memory models, multi-programming memory models, virtual memory, file systems, file management, file access method, file operation, file naming, then device management, controlling IYO devices, simple and easy user interface to IYO devices, security, command interpretation, OS capability, enhancement software, translating programs, library programs, utility programs from popular operating systems like Unix, MS-DOS, Microsoft Windows NT, Linux, and so on. Now the 15th module will start with application software. It will be about application software package like word processing package, commonly supported features in this package, a spreadsheet package and its features, graphic package, commonly supported features, personal assistance package, what is it, commonly supported features in this. Then in this lecture, the next module will be about business data processing. What is data processing? Data storage hierarchy, a standard method of organizing data, database-oriented approach, file-oriented approach, file management system, file types, file organization, file utilities, database management system, database models, main component of DBMS, creating and using database points about database. And with this, module 16 will end and we will enter into module 17. And in module 17, the discussion about data communication and computer network will be done. In this series, in this module, we have to discuss about basic elements of a communication system, data transmission, modes, types of program, errors, testing a program, debugging a program for sorry, we have sorry, this is no, sorry. The next will be data transmission speed, data transmission media, twisted fair wire, coaxial cable, microwave system, communication satellite. Sorry, there is some problem. Let's first see what is the. Yes, data transmission speed, data transmission media, twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, microwave system, communication satellite, optical fiber, digital and analog data transmission, modular techniques, modems, analog versus digital transmission, data transmission services, multiplexing techniques, asynchronous transmission, synchronous transmission, switching techniques, circuit switching, message switching, packet switching, routing, network topology, star network, ring network, completely connected network, multi-access bus network, hybrid networks, networks types like PAN, LAN, CAN, MAN, and WAN, communication protocols, role of communication protocols, concept of layered protocols in network design, network interface card, NIC, the OSI model, message transfer in the OSI model, internet tools, internet working tools, wireless network, types of wireless computing system, wireless application, wireless technology, then distributed computing system. And now in the module 18, uh, we will discuss about the internet. Its definition, brief history of internet is basic services. Electronic mail file transfer protocol FTP, telnet, usenet, news, the World Wide Web WWW, WW browsers, internet search engines, measurements of internet search engines, some popular internet search engines, use of internet. In the 19th module will be about multimedia. What is multimedia? Multimedia computer system, multimedia component, text, graphic, animation, audio, video, and its application. Multimedia application, media center computer, media center PC features and functionalities. And then there will be 20th module, 20th, and it will be about classifications of computers like notebook computers, laptop, personal computer, PCs, workstations, mainframe systems, supercomputers, client and server computers, handheld computers, tablet PC, PDA, pocket PC, smartphones. And the last module will be introduction to the C programming language. In this module, we will learn about its introduction, character set, constants, variables, keywords and comments, operators, statement, performing simple IO operations in C, preprocessor directives, pointers, array and strings, user-defined data type, structure union, controller structure, loop structure, function, simple problem, and simple programs. And with this, the lecture series on computer, learning computer with seeing natural sight, this lecture series will end. Thank you very much.